What is up, guys? Welcome back. It has been a minute without me giving you trade recaps or posting anything. It has been a while, but today I'm back, and today we took a horrible loss today. And today's market structure was kind of confusing, but I honestly thought that I had it, but as you know, the market, you're not always right. You're sometimes wrong, you're sometimes right, and today I was wrong. I'm here to just show you the recap. I think this is day 30. Yeah, it's day 30. I think last week I traded. I took a win using this more detailed top-down analysis. I took a win, but after that I was scared to enter the markets, and I decided to chill the entire week. But this week I'm going to be serious. I'm going to be showing up every day, because consistency is the best thing. Consistency is key. I just need to keep showing up every day, and probably one day I'll get my breakthrough. So today's trade, it's only one. Today's trade was a long. I wanted to catch a long on GBP USD, and honestly, longs were going to hold up. As you can see, price took me out and then reversed to my take profit. Kind of hurts, but we just have to deal with it. So today's bias was long for the day, because the higher time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame were all showing me that all of them were just giving me vibes of price being bullish for that day. And that was my bias for that day. So as you can see, on the 4-hour, price was initially bullish. On the 4-hour, but at the time I traded, we didn't have any strong reaction off of any point of interest. But on the 1 hour we had, which is this swing. Where is it? This swing high right here. We had a reaction off of this swing high. It's not it. We had a reaction off of this swing high right here, and honestly I thought that price was going to change bearish, because at the time I arrived here, this candle was in play and this one had already formed. This one right here. Oh God, just need to use this thingy. This one was in play, this one right here was in play, and this one was still in formation. This one was in play, this one had already formed, and as you can see, it formed a 1 hour doji candle, and I honestly thought that price was going to turn bearish from this point, but it didn't on this candle. I don't know why, but it did. But I also had that at the back of my mind, because if I had two things. If price respects bearish points of interest on the 5-minute, 15-minute, I would have been bearish because of this higher time frame PD array. But if price did not give me bearish points of interest on my moderate time frame, I would have been looking for longs. So that was kind of what I was looking for on this particular day. So price didn't give me anything at the 5-minute time frame, anything to show me that price was potentially going to reverse, giving us bearish price action. It didn't show me anything, because I think price was right around here. Price was right around here, and it respected this gap. For some reason I did not enter this trade. Again, I had FOMO, but if I would have entered this trade, my take profit would have been at this side right here, and as you can see, it got tapped into my take profit would have been here, and this trade would have held. This one would have held. This move would have held, because I also checked it on the 1-minute time frame, and price was respecting it. For some reason I didn't take that trade. Again, fear of losing money. Fear of losing money got to me, and I got hit in the back by this one. But honestly, this one, I thought this one was going to hold because this one was very solid. As you can see here, let me see. As you can see here, we had this gap right here, this 15-minute gap right here, and price tapped into it. After our price tapping into it, it respected it, and after price respecting it, I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to look for my inversions. These days I use inversion, guys. These days I use inversions. As you can see, we had inversions right here. We had an inversion right here. We had an inversion here. We had an inversion here. 3 inversion gaps. 3 gaps that was 3 bearish gaps that were disrespected. This was an indicator to me that price was going to push higher. Then I entered the trade, I think right around here. Yeah, right around there. Price went into profits at a very small range. Then it reversed and stopped me out. Yeah, after reversing it's then pushing higher, but I think it's going to come back down. But one thing that I'm happy of, at least my bias was correct for that day, but my positioning was really bad. At least my bias was correct for the day, and these days my trading was very highly affected by directional bias, and these days I've found ways how to improve it, and I'm really proud of myself because I'm seeing results in my daily bias identification phase. In my daily bias identification, I'm really happy that I'm seeing results, and yeah, I'm just really proud of myself. So I think the way I get daily bias, I learned it from PB Blake. Yeah, PB Blake. The nigga knows how to find his bias, so I learned it from him, and yeah. And today I just want to backtest some more. And kind of get used to determining daily bias for the rest of the week. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I will always be posting if I'm still alive. So bye for now, peace.